Welcome back to the channel. My name is Samira. How are you guys doing? So today we are making this beautiful top. It's going to have long puff sleeve on it, and you can see the trouser that I'm wearing, the palazzo trouser. That was our last tutorial. Please, you can also check it out so that you can able to learn how to cut and sew it on your own. So we are completing this style. This is the top that we are using to wear the palazzo trouser. So we are making use of 1.5 material of zinc material, and it's going to have a design on it. So guys, don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. You can share this tutorial with your friends, give it a thumbs up so that more people can get to see it and learn from it. So if you're interested to know how to make this kind of style, I will implore you to keep on watching this tutorial to the end so that you'll be able to learn how to cut and sew it on your own. So let's get started now with our tutorial. If you have your material there with you, can bring it out. You can also check our other tutorials that we have on my channel so that you can also learn how to cut and sew them on your own. So you can see how beautiful the style is on my body, very beautiful. You can see the material also is very beautiful. So just keep on watching this tutorial for you to know how to cut and sew it on your own. Keep on watching it. You can see how beautiful it is. So let's get started now with our tutorial now. So bring out your own material. Let's get started.
So this is our zinc material that we're using to make this beautiful top that we have puff sleeve, a long one. So what I'm showing you is I'm folding it in 4 pieces that we are cutting it all together at once. So that's my width for my body length. So my width is 11, so that is my level, and that is my length. Now my length is 26, that is my 26 that I'm marking there now. So after that I'll just roll it and we'll get started with our proper measurement. So this is how you will lay your material when making this kind of a style. So we'll get started with it now. So let me take it up so that you can see, the camera can catch up it very well. So it's my shoulder that I'm cutting now. That is my neck. Anyway, my neck is canoe neck, so that is what I'm giving out. It's 5 and the cleavage is 1.5, so I want it to come up, so that's why I'm marking that 1.5. So this is how you also mark your own if you want to get that kind of a neckline. So that is my armhole. So my armhole that I'm giving out there is 8. So after that, remember, that is where you get your body measurement. So let me roll it out so that we'll get started with our body measurement now. So this how you also make your own when making your own. So always watch my tutorial to the end. So that's my shoulder, I'm marking 1 inch to bring out the down, that is the slope. So that is my 1 inch that I marked. So after that now, just for me now to continue with my measurement. So what I'm still giving out there is that my neck, so I want the chalk to show very well that you can see me doing it. So that's my bust. My bust that I'm giving out is 40, that is 10, adding 1 inch on it. So that is it now. So just curve our armhole there. So I've done that. So that's my measurement for my half length. My half length is 16. That's my 16. Under your half length, that's where you get your waist measurement. So that's my waist measurement. My waist measurement that I'm giving out there is 38. So I want it to be free. So that is 38, adding 1 inch on it. So coming down to the length now, that is the button, that is the hip. So what I'm giving out there is 10.5, adding 1 inch on it also. So that is it now. So I've done that now. So I want to connect everything together from my bust to my waistline, and from my waistline now to my hip line. So we have done that. So this is how you also mark when making your own. So just look at what I'm doing there. Please always subscribe to my channel and watch my video to the end, please guys, and comment. So I want to cutting the neck now. So I'm cutting the neck and the back together. So I'm using what I've used for the front to cut the back and the front, that is the neck. So this is how you go about it when making your own. So I'm cutting the downside of it now, and that downside of it, I will not just cut it straight. I want to curve it. So what I'm giving out there for my curve is 1.5. So can you see what I've done this? I've curved it so that it will have that curving at the downside of it. I don't want it to be straight. So I've curved it and I've cutting it now. So this is how you also make your own when making this kind of a top. Remember, it will have a puff sleeve and a long one that is why you're going to use for the sleeve. So this is how you cut, and just wash every detail that you can see me doing, and also have your fabric so that by the time you finish watching you can cut it on your own. Yes, so this is how you also make it now. So can you see how the shape has come out? So what we do now to go and stitch it on the machine and sew. So this is the sleeve now that I want to cut. So my sleeve, I'm also folding it in 4 pieces. That is one first and the second one. So now that's come out. So this is how you also make it when cutting your sleeve. It will have a elastic on it. So I'm showing you the elastic that I'm using to puff it at the downside. So that's my width. My width that I'm having there is 8.5, and that's my length. My length is 25 because it will be long sleeve. So you just go and fold it at the downside and pass our elastic. So that is my armhole. What I'm giving out there is 1.5 for my arm, 2 inch for my armhole to curve it down. That is the armhole side, 2 inch that I just bring it down. So this is the curving that you just curve and get your armhole. Coming down to the round sleeve, what I'm giving out there is 14, that is 7, because I don't want it to be too much. So that is what I've give out there now. So that is my 14. So just use a ruler to take it down to have a straight line, and that's what you can see me doing now, connecting it from the armhole to the length now, that is the round sleeve. So I've done that now. So this is how you also do it when making your own. Please just watch this my tutorial so that my video can grow. So please just watch it and watch it to the end. So I want to cut it now. So after doing all of this, I will take it to the machine and go and stitch the downside so that we'll pass our elastic and puff it out. So this is how you also do it when making your own. It's a fine top that we are making. Is the neck. It's a high neck that you see after sewing it, it will come out. So this is what I'm doing there now. So just watch every detail that you can see me doing and do it. I want you guys to do it and do it on your own and wear it out and wear it on your trouser, because it's trouser that we use and also make this top. So you can also use it skirt to wear it, depend on your clothes that you want to use and wear the top. So we have done that. You can see the top now. So I've done the top also. So it's the two fronts that I want to pass together now. So we'll use our elastic now for the sleeve. So I want to show you how it is now so that you can pass it. So now I'm fixing it using my safety pin to puff it out, and after that now you just use pin to pin it. So I'm just showing you what I'm doing on my sleeve. So this is how you also do it and do it on your own, and it will come out very good, very beautiful. What the materials we just use for this style is silk material. So we're done with the two sleeves. So I just go and fix it together and it will be ready and we'll wear it out. So can you see how it is now? Very beautiful. So this is how it is now. So just continue to watch my video and watch it to the end so that you yourself can do it on your own and wear it out. So can you see how it is now? So I'll take it to the machine and stitch and wear it out. It's ready now.
You can see that our top is ready now. You can see how beautiful it came out. Very beautiful. You can see the sleeve also, and the material. We made use of 1.5 silk material that have design on it. So guys, don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. You can share this tutorial with your friends. Give it a thumbs up. Please ask your friends to also subscribe to my channel. You can see the trouser, the palazzo trouser. That was our last tutorial. You can also check it out so that you can learn how to cut it on your own. Very beautiful style. Guys, please support this channel. One way for you to support it is for you to watch my tutorial down to the end. Like this tutorial, please watch it down to the end to support this channel to grow. I really want this channel to grow this year. Please watch my tutorials down to the end, and please don't forget to subscribe. You can also check my other tutorials on my channel. Please also watch them to the end. You can recommend my channel to your friends also so that they too can also check my tutorials. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again.